Hi everyone. Thank you for watching. By law, I have to tell you that this is for entertainment purposes only. All videos are property of Psychic Liz Cross, LLC. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. I'm here with the amazing Psychic Biz Cross. How are you doing today?
I'm with the amazing Mr. Photon. How are you?
I'm very good. So today I thought it would be fun to probe Peter Thiel because it was recently released in his 13F filing what he's currently holding in his stock portfolio, or at least some of the things that he was holding as of, I think, July 31st. So I thought that would be interesting because he is, one of the richest men on earth, and we can give a good probe and give people a taste of what we do here on our weekly financial updates. We probe equities and cryptos on a weekly basis for equities long term. So we'll take a look at some of these things he's holding and see if they are long term holds. So without further ado, let's get into that. So the first thing that he revealed that he was holding, which is 31% of his portfolio, is Amazon.
Oh,
So let's probe Amazon out for 5 years. We're going to get a scale
okay.
1 to 10 for that. So let's ask now, on a scale of 1 to 10 over the next 5 years, how well does Amazon do?
How well does Amazon do over the next 5 years on a scale of 1 to 10? How well does it do? It's about a 5 or a 6. It does okay.
Okay.
It's up, it's down, but on average, it does okay.
Yeah, it's a very big blue chip, right? So it's hard to move it. Okay. Let's look over to Vista Energy. I don't think we've probed this one before. Vist. How well does Vista Energy do over the next 5 years on a scale of 1 to 10?
Does Vista Energy do on a scale of 1? Now that scores an 8.
Okay. That's obviously in the energy sector, and we believe energy is going to do well, obviously, with all the AI stuff, and you're going to need energy, right? So, on a scale of 1 to 10, scores an 8. Can it triple or more? It's currently $68 from where it is now per share.
I think it can at least, can it triple? At least more than double.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Somewhere between a 2 and 3x. So that's pretty good. Okay. Let's look at Vistra Corp. This is VST. This is another energy producer. How well does VST do, Vistra Corp, on a scale of 1 to 10 over the next 5 years?
In the next 5 years, how well does Vista Corp do? That scores a 7, 8.
Okay. Well, and it's currently at $137, more or less. How well does it do? Can it 3x or more over the next 5 years?
It can.
Okay. All right. So far he's got some good picks, it looks like. I'm not we're not
Hmm.
we're not not surprised. Okay, another energy company that he's in. First Energy, FE. How well does FE do over the next 5 years on a scale of 1 to 10?
How well does FE do the next 5 years on the scale of? That scores high as well. That's an 8.
I'm not surprised, Mr. Thiel. He knows what he's doing. He's got lots of insider
Mm.
information. Okay, so it's currently at $46. How well, can it do a 3x or more over the next 5 years?
Do a 3x. Easily.
All right. Well, Mr. Thiel's definitely giving the goods today. I'm glad I decided to do this. American Electric Power is the next one, AEP. How well does it do over the next 5 years on a scale of 1 to 10?
How well does American Electric have to on the scale of 1 to 10 over the next 5 years? That's another 8.
He's batting very high average right now, Mr. Thiel. All right.
Yeah.
How well does AEP do? Can it 3x or more from where it is now? It's currently at $122.
Easily.
All right, guys, we're building the portfolio up. So we're going to continue this probably on the second part of this video because we have more equities to probe. But before we do that, I also want to cover something that's happening this week, and that is the Nvidia earnings, which I believe are coming out tomorrow. Now,
Oh,
Nvidia's currently been on a pretty big losing streak over the last, few weeks leading up to these earnings. But it's only missed earnings, I think, maybe twice since 2022. So what does this mean? So right now, the third quarter revenue guidance is at 105 billion. It needs to be higher than that, or to for the market to consider that being bullish. If it's anything under 103 billion, that would probably scare investors. So that's what everybody's looking at, what's going to happen with their earnings. So will they miss earnings? Will they exceed expectations?
well, they
That's kind
missed
of
it.
what we want to know.
No, they're not going to miss their earnings or they exceed expectation. Just over the mark. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Well, I mean that's yeah, maybe that's I think it's let's see where it is today actually because I forgot to check this morning. I think the market's generally pretty much up overall today for equities, but let's check specifically for Nvidia because maybe this is an opportunity for people if earnings are going to come in. So it did jump today, but as you can see, it's been down. Let's see here over the last few days.
Hmm.
So that could be
That's,
an interesting play for tomorrow when if earnings come out. So
yeah,
FYI.
normally they get ready for the great big, earnings report, so they invest in. So you see the stock going up. So does that mean people have a lack of confidence in Nvidia? They do.
Over the last few days, yeah. Now it's today it's a green day, but that's because the entire market is pumping, I think, in general. So
Mm.
tomorrow we're gonna find out whether they like the earnings or not. So we think it's going to be positive. All right. So I think we're going to stop that here for the first part of this video, but to let you know what we're going to do, we're going to probe the S&P 500 to see where we're going, forecast on that. We're also going to probe into Bitcoin. Obviously, it's done amazing. We hit $80,000 last night, so we want to know if the bottom's in. Do we have more downside? Is the bull market on? All those questions we're going to ask of that. And we're going to probe a few listener requests for equities as we normally do. We'll continue with the Peter Thiel portfolio as well. And of course, we're going to look at the Robinhood chain because we believe that that is something that's going to have longevity over the next 3 years. And we have definitely been deep diving into that with good success. So we really have a lot of value that we provide every week for our members. Other groups charge hundreds, thousands of dollars a month, and we certainly do not do that. So we welcome you, to check out Patreon.com/remote viewing and beyond, support our channel, and you can become part of our community. And we hope to see you on the second part of this video.
Yes, that would be great. And I have some questions about Canada and tariffs
Oh
as
yeah,
well.
yeah, that could
Oh,
definitely affect the market as well.
Yes. Well, in our pockets. All right. We'll see you on the flip side. Thank you.
Thank you.